Hi guys, welcome back, or welcome if it's your first time. My name's Paige and today we're gonna be doing something a little different. I finally broke down and ordered a vlogging camera. This is the one I got, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm really excited, so I'm gonna unbox it and show you some of the accessories that I ordered to go with it. The per pack. Okay, so I also got a little mini tripod. You can get the Digi brand one, but this one was so much cheaper. I think it was like $8, but I'll link it in my Amazon storefront. But this is what I got for a mini tripod. Super simple, it looks like, very compact. It like literally fits in this palm of my hand. Super easy. This. Sure what this is. Whoop. Oh, it looks like this is cleaning. So these are dry and wet wipes. Oh, these are protective screen covers for both the camera and the little video screens. So screen covers for this as well as the camera that you can't see right now, but it's right here. This is a memory card reader, and it's so I can put the micro SD card in here and connect it directly to my phone for easier upload. It also does regular size memory cards as well as USB. Super lightweight and compact. Again, fits in the palm of my hand. Kind of looks like my IUD. And then this is a protective cover. Again, it's not Digi brand, but I wanted a waterproof case for when I'm like on the beach or on a boat or something like that, and I can safely have it in a bag. right, guys, I hope that was helpful for you, anyone who's debating on buying that. I'll give you my biggest tip slash secret that you probably shouldn't know, but I know it, so I have to share. So this vlogging camera generally retails at about $500, but I got it on Amazon and I actually waited till it was on sale and I got it for $440 instead. I recommend putting it in your cart, putting it on your wish list, and then waiting to get an alert that it's on sale, because that's what I did, and I was able to get it for $60 cheaper. Totally worth the wait. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like, comment any questions, and subscribe for more. Happy traveling.